more bite for Reed. Okay. Oh,
okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Let's wipe your hands.
And one for Mommy.
Thank you, Reed. Reed's all done.
Okay, one more for Reedy, and then that's it. Then we're all gone.
Thank you. Oh, you want to hold it for me? I think you forgot what one more means. All done, Reedy. All done for Reed. Yep.
Oh, now Reed, we had a lot of ice cream there. You have to share.
It's gone.
Look at your mouth.
Let's put it in the garbage. Yep, the stick is all gone.
It's all gone. There's nothing left in that, young man. Okay, thank you. Oh, wipe your hands.
Wow, that was really good. A little bit more.
This is it, Reed. I'm going to throw this stick away, okay?
Garbage now. We're all done. Oh, you Reed wants to throw it away?
Oh, yeah, we just cleaned your hands. Oh. There's nothing left, big boy. Don't put that in your mouth now. There's no ice cream. Put it right here.